Cybersecurity encompasses everything that pertains to protecting our data. Cybersecurity risk is increasing, driven by global connectivity and usage of cloud services, where many store their sensitive data and personal information. Widespread poor configuration of cloud services paired with increasingly sophisticated cyber criminals means the risk that your organization suffers from a successful cyber attack or data breach is on the rise. There is urgent need of the cybersecurity expertise and a holistic approach to resilience. Awareness needs to be built across the business. This is not just a tech problem. Synergy between technology and business processes is where true resilience is attained. Experts say that 95% of cybercrime results from leaving the doors open for the attackers. Sophisticated and large-scale attacks will always stand out, but day-to-day security measures are key to minimizing risks. Every arm of the business needs to understand where their most sensitive data and services sit and the level of risk around them. To understand the level of risk, an agile approach is needed because risk changes along with the business landscape. Every business must understand what its DNA is. That's the critical 10 to 15% of data that must be protected at all costs. This is the lifeblood of an organization, and in the event of a cyber attack, it is the difference between its life and death. Businesses are increasingly aware of the dangers of a cyber attack, but they need to truly invest in cyber resilience, and invest to appoint dedicated cybersecurity expertise is a vital solution. Let's look into this hour's headlines in VAR India. Government of India to launch national program on artificial intelligence. The Government of India is going to launch a national program on artificial intelligence. Under this program, high-value data sets in public sector units are to be identified. These data will then be put under an artificial intelligence control framework. The framework will provide access to the appropriate units. This is being done to increase the safety of the data and its accessibility. Will ensure the investors' investment into cryptocurrency, says Anurag Thakur. Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur said the government is very much open when it comes to digital currencies and that all options are being considered with an open mind. He further said, while stating that the interests of crypto investors will be protected in the bill being drafted, clarified that the government is in favor of the technology. The Pwn 2 Own 2021 witnessed Windows, Ubuntu, Zoom, Safari, MS Exchange hacked. The 2021 spring edition of Pwn 2 Own hacking contest witnessed a new category where the enterprise communications has joined the web browser, virtualization server and local escalation of privilege categories split between 10 categories, where some 23 participating teams and lone security researchers collectively earned a record $1.2 million from a total prize pool of $1.5 million over the 3-day event. Participating vendors now have 90 days to produce fixes for reported vulnerabilities before public disclosure. Microsoft to unlock trillions of dollars opportunity for the partner community. Partners are the spine of the business, and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella understands that every business program or business model changes through a channel lens. He has geared to drive technology acceleration through partners and VARs. Microsoft has always believed in partner-first culture for nearly 30 years and spends a lot of time contemplating how solution providers are impacted by every decision the company makes. One of the things that I want to design in our core is whether it's the move from license to consumption or license to subscription, what is the partner opportunity, he said. Flipkart and Adani join hands for setting up logistics and data centers. The partnership among Flipkart and Adani Group will witness setting up of 5.34 lakh square feet logistics hub in Mumbai and a data center in Chennai to create 2,500 direct and thousands of indirect jobs. Adani Logistics Limited will construct a 5,34,000 square feet fulfillment center in Mumbai that will be leased to Flipkart to address the growing demand for e-commerce in Western India and support market access to several thousands of sellers and MSMEs in the region. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app for the latest news and analysis. Stay tuned. Thank you.